Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a timer in minutes in Roblox Studio. It's pretty easy and the code is gonna be in the description. So if you look at the script, it says repeat, wait. So what this does is that if seconds reach 0, then 1 is subtracted from the minutes and seconds will restart to 59. And if seconds still haven't reached 0, then the 1 is subtracted from the seconds like normally. And here, if the seconds are less than 10, then the text, there's gonna be a 0 between minutes and seconds if it isn't a two-digital number. And if the minutes are two-digital number or greater than 9, then there's just gonna be this in between the minutes and seconds. And this is basically the interval, how long it takes for one to be subtracted, and it's gonna repeat until minutes and seconds reach 0. And all you need is to just call this function. So just want 0 minutes and 10 seconds, and this is basically the object that you want the text to be timer on. And you can also add some events like game over when the timer reaches 0. And why is it in a script is because if I put this into local script, then if I joined and stayed in the game, the timer, for example, would be for me 5 seconds, if this is true, and if someone else joined, the timer is gonna start for him over again. So yeah, because scripts run globally, and so it's gonna be same for every user. And also make sure to disable reset on spawn, because otherwise the timer will just reset every time you restart it. So now let's test it, and yes, it works great. Yeah, game over. And if I restart it, oh, so loud. It, yes. Oh. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in the next video.